fellow React enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our ReactJS tutorial series. I'm Shani Sinojiya, and today we're venturing into the world of the useId hook. This lesser-known hook is a hidden gem that helps you manage unique IDs for accessibility and seamless interaction. Stick around to uncover this valuable tool that can enhance your React applications. Agenda. Uncovering the purpose and advantages of the useId hook. Implementing useId to generate unique IDs. Enhancing accessibility and user experience with unique IDs. Uncovering the purpose and advantages of the useId hook. Before we dive into the code, let's understand why the useId hook is worth your attention. This hook simplifies the process of generating unique IDs, especially for scenarios where accessibility and interactivity are crucial. Let's dig deeper into this innovative solution. Implementing useId to generate unique IDs. Using the useId hook is straightforward and incredibly useful. Instead of worrying about manually creating unique IDs for elements, you can rely on this hook to do the heavy lifting. Let's take a look at how to use it. Enhancing accessibility and user experience with unique IDs. Beyond convenience, the useId hook significantly contributes to accessibility. It ensures that elements like labels and inputs are properly associated, improving usability for all users. This is especially vital for screen readers and other assistive technologies. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the useId hook. You've discovered how to effortlessly generate unique IDs for elements, promoting better accessibility and user experience. If you found this tutorial enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fascinating ReactJS tutorials coming your way. Until next time, happy coding.